thanks for tuning in. Today's gonna be a tough conditions fishing day. Me and my brother are out here. It's gonna be really windy, 25 miles per hour plus winds. It's cold, but we're gonna be throwing jigs. That's pretty much all you can do. Stay tuned. If I remember correctly, the point goes way off to the left here. Yeah, I think that's where the fish are going to probably be, is out on the point. Of course, we might have caught one in here early that one day. I don't think that helps. Boy, it is rocky. Saying he hit it so light I didn't even feel him bite it, but boy, that's a nice fish. First fish of the day is that's a 1.5 pounder. We need to keep an eye on those birds. Huh. Yeah. I felt a little tiny tick and I just wasn't sure. And then I, couldn't catch up to my... Boy, look at the stuff underneath us. Yeah, it's not a bad fish either. Still catching them on the jig. That's a 1.5 pounder. Not a bad fish.
That's amazing that you can take that much time. And they're not going to spit it out.
Nope. No, that fish.
I knew there had to be another one.
That fish thumped it good too. Where are you at?
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're starting to put together a few fish. We're out here today on the Chastity arm of the north part of Lake Lanier. It's been a tough, slow, cold fishing day today. Huh, a jigfish. Not a big one, but we'll take it.
Yeah.
Right here on this point. Oh yeah. Oh, it was a Zane, this is a good one here. The wind has come up on us, but I think that's helping us. That's a good fish there. Boy, it is shallow. Boy, look how white that fish is. So there is a fish around. double?
I don't think I got mine. There's some fish over here, Dana. That's a good one.
Zane, how am I supposed to edit that out now? Yeah.
I can't believe I missed him.
Nice pound and a halfer. Sure don't show anything.
Told ya.
I just lost contact with it. You know, the wind's blowing so hard.
No, yeah, I got a keep blowing my line.
The old jig, I mean, we're not catching huge ones, but we are catching a fish or two. All of a sudden, my line was going the direction it shouldn't be going. Man, this wind. We're battling winds that are 25 to 30 miles an hour. Right on the point.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, a little bit better, yeah. Yeah,
Great, but
we'll take it. Well, technically that's a double, you know. We'll take it. That's another, that's, you know, decent fish.
Dana chucked one right over that, right there again. I don't know if that's the same fish or not.
Huh.
Right off that freaking wall. And I threw it Dana out here like this. See that hook stuck right over the boat.
Yep. Well, we might be now. Man, fighting that wind all day is exhausting. This one's not little.
God dang it, Dana. I got bit too.
How many times did we cast on there?
No, but I got bit too.
Ooh.
Ooh, there's your kicker. You got a net.
That is the kicker. Zane, how many times did we cast to that area? That's a good fish, Zane. That's 2.5. Nice fish. So we're on a wind-blown point here. This is the third time we fished it today. We've caught fish every time we've come here. He was out a little deeper.
This side.
Yeah. Yeah, they're white. Yeah, not a giant, but geez, I'll take it on a tough day like today. It's about as bad a fishing conditions as you're gonna find. Boy, he hammered me too.
They ain't messing around when they hit you.
Whew. We got a cold wind blowing. 25, 30 miles an hour. We can barely hold the boat in the wind. But we're just looking for wind-blown points with rock on them. The wind puts such a bow in your line, it's kind of hard to feel the bite. Zane, I'm approaching double digits. All right, thanks for tuning in. It was a tough day. I ended up catching 10, so it wasn't terrible, but it was really windy, really cold. Made, you know, when you're casting, the wind would blow your jig, 15 yards away from where you were aiming. Made for some tough fishing, but thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I need those subscribers. And come back and fish with me next time.